Infosys is close to its 52-week high levels, and the strong Q2 on top of the strong Q1 amply justifies the run in the stock already. It is up 37% in the past 3 months, matching the IT index return and outperforming the Nifty return of 13% by a wide margin. Now, the second quarter has delivered an equally blockbuster performance this time around. In our Ideas for Profit today, I'll discuss how should investors then look at Infosys from here on. Well, in Q2, the company delivered results that actually took even the optimists by a lot of surprise. The revenue for the quarter at about $3,312 million grew by 6.1% sequentially in reported currency and 4% in constant currency. The year-on-year growth is also quite positive in reported as well as constant currency, and when you compare it with TCS, where the revenue growth year-on-year is still in the negative. Now, for the first half, the revenue grew by about 2% year-on-year in constant currency terms. The share of digital also rose further in the quarter to 47.3%, and that's from 44.5% of the total revenue that was seen in Q1, reflecting a strong sequential surge as well. Now, despite giving 100% variable pay to employees and one-time bonus as well, operational efficiencies also led to sharp uptick in operating margin by 270 basis points sequentially and 375 basis points year-on-year to 25.4%. Now, the improvement in revenue productivity, uptick in utilization rate, and favorable offshore mix, along with the reduction in travel expenses, they all together aided the margin. Now, the revenue momentum and the margin traction has given the management the confidence in upping its full year guidance as well going on from here. And now, against the last quarter's expectations of say 0 to 2% year-on-year growth in the revenues in constant currency terms, the company now expects the full year revenue to grow by 2 to 3% now. Now, the company has also raised its margin guidance to a new band of 23 to 24%. That is up from 21 to 23% that was earlier. Now, the management also alluded to pricing pressure abating significantly. Now, in terms of the geographies, the key market of North America, which has a share of 61%, that grew by a decent 1.9% year-on-year. India too showed a good momentum on a relatively smaller base though. That's something we will need to keep in mind. Now, turning to industry verticals, if we talk about, the management has alluded to the momentum coming back, say in segments of retail, stability coming in manufacturing, strong digital transformation agenda of the financial services as well. That's going to augur well for the company. Now, the single most reason that really makes us quite confident about the company is the momentum in the order inflows. Now, thanks to the deal with Vanguard, which was of close to $1.5 billion, Infosys has had a record deal win in the quarter. Of the 16 large deals it won, 11 were from North America, 4 from Europe, and 1 from the rest of the world as well this time. Now, the client matrix also remains quite healthy, with the company adding 96 new clients in the quarter itself. Also, when you talk about the optimism of the growth is actually getting reflected in the strong hiring outlook that the company has. Now, with the company adding about 16,500 freshers in 2020 and about 16,000 freshers in the coming year as well. Now, the company is sitting on a healthy cash balance of $4.6 billion, creating enough headroom for the inorganic opportunities. Now, incidentally, in the quarter gone by, the company did 3 acquisitions of Guide Vision, Blue Acorn, and Kaleidoscope. Now, given that the company has delivered about 1.9% year-on-year growth in constant currency in the first half already, the guidance actually points to a tad subdued performance in the second half, that is Q3 and Q4, as Q3 is a quarter that is impacted mostly by furloughs, and Q4 traditionally is quite a soft quarter for the company. Now, verticals like say communication, energy, and manufacturing, they are all yet to fully recover. Also, any second wave of the pandemic could cloud the future outlook for the business, definitely, so that's an overhang. Now, despite the rally, the stock trades at a discount to some of its peers. Now, as Infosys really delivers consistently, we do expect the valuation gap also to narrow going forward from here. And given the sharp rally, profit booking may be quite normal to see. However, any reversal in the stock price could be used as an opportunity to add it for the long term in the portfolios.